gas dryer or electric dryer? What breaks differently, and which costs more to repair? Here's the full breakdown. Electric dryers use a heating element, a resistance coil that heats up when electricity passes through it. Gas dryers use a gas burner with an igniter. That's the main difference. Electric dryer common repairs. Thermal fuse 100 to 150. Heating element 150 to 300. These are the two most common repairs, and they're straightforward. Gas dryer common repairs. Thermal fuse is the same. But instead of a heating element, you have a gas igniter 150 to 250 and gas valve solenoids 150 to 250. The igniter is a small piece that glows orange to light the gas. When it weakens, it can't open the gas valve. Cost comparison, gas dryer repairs average about $20 to $30 more than electric. The parts are slightly more specialized. Safety difference, gas dryers require a gas line and proper venting. If you smell gas, shut it off immediately and call your gas company. Never try to diagnose a gas leak yourself. Electric dryers use either a 240-volt outlet or a standard 120-volt for compact models. Reliability, both last about the same, 12 to 15 years. Electric dryers have slightly fewer components that can fail. Gas dryers cost less to operate per load because natural gas is cheaper than electricity in most areas. We repair both gas and electric dryers. All brands. Same-day service. Port St. Lucie, Stewart, Fort Pierce, Jensen Beach. Call Treasure Coast Appliance Repair at 772-353-5791.